Hello everyone, this is Postman for Cisco EPIC REST API episode 2. In episode 2, we are going to talk about register ACI nodes, leaves and spines. Let's open Postman and EPIC and see how we are going to register the nodes. Here is the Postman. In the Postman, I already did the test, but I'm going to re-demonstrate the steps in front of you. Here we are going to do register a new nodes. How to register a new nodes? Let's close this and let's create a new one. Okay, this is the EPIC dashboard and this is the main page, home page. Let's go to the fabric, which is the first step you have to do in any ACI implementation. You come here and you go to the fabric membership and you go to the node pending registration. You will see the first leaf where the EPIC is connected, which is this one. Instead of this, you will see in the real scenario, you will see a serial number. You should have a serial number with the node IDs created previously, and you come here and you come here and you do a register for this node. After you register this node, it will come in the registration page. Once you register the first leaf, anything connected to this leaf will be showing in the pending registration, which is the spine 1 and then spine 2, because leaf 1 is connected to the spine 1 and spine 2. Leaf 1 and then this leaf is connected to the EPIC and this leaf 1 is connected to the spine 1. Spine 1 connected to the other leaves, for example leaf 2, and this leaf 1 as well is connected to leaf 1, also connected to spine 2 for redundancy, and this spine 2 is connected to the leaf 2. So what we are going to do, we are seeing only this leaf 1. We are going to register this leaf, and then after registering this leaf, it will take the tip IP and then through the LLDP. So once we register leaf 1, we will start seeing spine 1 and spine 2. Then we will start seeing also leaf 2 and the other leaves. Let's see how we are going to do that with the help of the Postman. And we are going to use the feature, the built-in feature of the EPIC, which is the API inspector. Let's see. We come here and we go to the show API inspector. Here it will show you all the steps that you are going to do. Let's put it here and put this one here. Let's register the first node manually, and then we will start registering the others through Postman. The node 1, for example, it is telling you here this is the leaf, and in the leaf you can start with, let's say 101, and here the name leaf 1. Once we register here, we will start seeing some post commands. This is the post that we need. If you didn't able to find it, you just type post and it will take you to here. This post, we will take this one and paste it over here. This is the URL we are going to use. So over here we are putting a post, and this is the, as we saw in episode 1, we have to put here a variable, which is the built-in variable in the environment, which is EPIC. Okay, and the body will be this one. But before we paste this body, we have to put the variable, same as the IP address that we did in the previous episode or previous session. Let's do that here. Here we will see that the tip here with the tip serial number, replace all. So it replaced this one and this one. Here in the node ID, replace all, and this is the node name, for example. Okay, replace all, and then we take the body and paste it in Postman. Here we have this one, the serial number, and then in the tip serial number we'll put the tip serial numbers in real life, and here we will put the here it is starting seeing the both spine, as we said, and then once we register one of the spines, it will see the other, it will start seeing the other leaves. This one is already registered and it takes that tip IP. Let's see the node's pending registration, and we'll take this one, the name, it's a serial number. Let's go back to the okay, and the node ID, and then the node name is spine 1. Okay, and then we'll come here and save the configuration. Okay, let's do a login first. Always start with the login because it will time out. Then push this one. it gives us a small error, which is the node ID. The name is incorrect. You have to come here and take the exact case sensitive and the node name. Okay, and save the config. Let's send. It works. It gives me a 200. Okay, means it works. Let's go back to the APIC and confirm this one. You can see here it is registered through the Postman, and then another way through an Excel sheet. Inactive, then it will be active. Once it is active, we will start seeing the other leaves. It starts seeing the other leaf and the spines. Let's put this in an Excel sheet. Okay, what is the parameters that we need to change? We said that the tip serial number, you can paste it here, and node ID, come here, and then you start pasting all of these things here. Node ID, we said that 1102 for the other spine, and this is spine 2. 102, and this leaf 2. Okay, we can save it in the desktop, save as CSV. Make sure to save it as CSV. Once you paste it there, we can call it in the Postman. In the Postman, then we come to the Postman and we run a collection. Okay, in the collection we will take the okay, it has a missing login. We have to add the login here. Just let's take a copy of this. We're gonna use this one. Let's put it here. Okay, let's run we'll run multiple requests and at the same time. Here we can call in the desktop. We can call this one. Just do a preview and run lab. Let's see. Yes, it works. See here, it registered all of them through the Postman. And that's all. Thank you for watching.